হাই ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল সুমনা। আমি সুমনা। আজকে আমি নিয়ে এসেছি একটা হচ্ছে সিলভার কপার স্মোকি আইস। তো অ্যাট ফার্স্ট আই এম টেকিং মাই ফাউন্ডেশন ম্যাক স্টুডিও ফিক্স, shade name is NC25. I am taking a little amount of foundation and dot it all over my face and then blend it in the circular motion. Don't forget your neck and ear. Then I'm taking my gel liner, brown gel liner. Use the brush and put it on my eyebrow. I have already a thick eyebrow, so I don't need too much of it. I just shape it. I just shape it very naturally. Next I'm taking my compact, the same compact MAC the Studio Fix, shade is NC25, and dab it all over my face and neck and also neck. Then I'm taking a palette, Pop Feel palette. I bought it from Amazon. It has 3 plates, 2 eyeshadow and a face plate. It has contour shade, compact shade, also blush. I'm taking the 3 shades and mix it together and put it on my cheekbone, in my jawline, in the forehead, and also on my nose. Using the same palette, I'm taking a pink shade and put it on my cheek. And blend it very well. And put it also in my nose. And blend all of this. Then I'm taking the Maybelline, the Nudes palette. I'm taking a skin color shade, beige shade, and put it on my eyelid. Then I'm taking the brown shade and the light brown shade, mix it together and put it on my outer corner. And blend it toward the inner corner. And blending and lots of blending. Now I'm taking a peachy orange type of shade and put it in my inner corner and blending toward the inner corner. Then I'm taking a pinky peachy shade and blend all the color together. Then I'm taking a dark brown shade and put it all over my lid. And blend all this color together. Camera doesn't pick the color. Now I'm taking a black shade and put it on my inner corner. Just in my inner corner. using a flat brush and blend the color. Again I am putting the black shade on my outer corner and blend it with the help of a orangey peachy shade. Now I am taking my concealer, putting in a flat brush I just put the concealer in my 1/3 of my eyelid, not the whole eyelid, just 1/3 of my eyelid. Now I'm taking a bronze shade, bronze glitter shade. Now I'm taking a bronze or a copper shade. It is a bronze shade, not a copper shade. And putting in middle of my eyelid, just middle of my eyelid. Camera doesn't focus, so I just adjust this. Sometimes lights are too bright. Now I'm taking a silver shade. I broke the palette. Taking the silver shade and putting on my inner corner. Again I'm putting the black shade on my outer corner just to define the black look, the dark black, and blend it with the help of a grey shade. Very slowly just blend it. Now I'm taking a dark brown shade and put it on my lower eye. What it say? I don't know. Lower eyelid. I don't know. Now I'm taking the dark brown shade and putting in my lower eyelid or lower eye and blend all of this together. Now I'm taking the same dark brown gel liner. Use this as an eyeliner. I'm drawing a very thin wing liner. Very thin wing liner. You can draw a bold liner or a simple liner or a normal liner or a wing liner as your wish. Liner is done. Now I'm taking a white kajal pencil and putting on my waterline just to enhance my eyes. Look bigger. If you use a white kajal pencil, then your eyes look bigger. Then I'm taking my highlighter and taking last 4 shade and putting on my cheekbone, on my nose, forehead, cupid bow and tip of my nose. And corner of my eyes. If you use white highlighter or corner of your eyes, then you look bigger. Then I'm taking my lipstick. It is a very orangey, dark orange shade, or you call it a brick shade. It matches my eye look. Now I'm taking my mascara, Maybelline the Colossal. It is a lengthening mascara. Using on my lower and upper lash line, and also on my eyebrow to set my eyebrow. Again I'm taking my compact to set it all in place. If you like this video, then like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to never miss out my any update. See you in my next video. Bye.